Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to solve equation by Cramer's rule, which is very important for class 12 business math students as well as SEE students. So let's take a start here. So we have two equations. So first of all we have to write down coefficient of x, coefficient of y and coefficient of z. So here coefficient of x, after that here coefficient of y, and here we have to write on constant number. Constant. So what is the coefficient of x here? 3, so we have to write here 3. Coefficient of y is 5, so we have to write down here 5, and constant number 25, so we have to write here 25. Similarly coefficient of x is 2, so we have to write down 2. Coefficient of y is 3, so we have to write here 3, and the constant number is 16, so we have to write here 16. After this we have to find out d1, d and d2. So let's find out d first of all. To find out d we have to find out, take coefficient of x, coefficient of y. Coefficient of x is equal to 3, 2, and coefficient of y is equal to 5, 3. So we have to write here 5, 3. Let's find out the determinant of this. This to multiply minus this to multiply. 3 into 3, 9, minus 2 into 5, we get here 10 is equal to minus 1. Similarly we have to find out d1. To find out d1 we have to take constant number and then coefficient of y. So constant number here 25 and 16, and coefficient of y is 5 and 3. Let's find out the determinant of this. This two we have to multiply. 25 into 3 we get here 75, minus 16 into 5 we get here 80 is equal to minus 5. Similarly we have to find out d2. To find out d2 we have to take coefficient of x and constant number. Coefficient of x is 3, 2, and the constant number is 25, 16, so 25, 16. Let's find out the determinant of this. 3 into 16 we get here 48, so let's write on 48 minus from formula, and this two we have to multiply. 2 into 25 we get here 50 is equal to, when you subtract we get here minus 2. After that using Cramer's rule, and we have to find out the value of x and y. So let's write on using Cramer's rule, and we have x is equal to formula d1 by d. d1 is equal to minus 5, so let's write on minus 5 by d is equal to minus 1, which is equal to 5. Minus minus cancel. Similarly y is equal to d2 by d. d2 is equal to, we have minus 2, so minus 2 by minus 1, when you divide we get here 2, so answer is 2. The value of x is 5 and the value of y is 2. Hope you understand this question related with Cramer's rule.